Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then if you have a space, then you have to click on the fourth option at the bottom of the screen. Your space means that there is this group and you can post and put answers there. You can talk with other people there. So this is a small community on Quora, and here is my space, and if I click on this, there will be the settings option, and then if you scroll down you should see the monetization section, earnings programs overview. You have to click on that, and now select your country of residence. You have to select your country, then click on the submit. Then it says that we will notify you once earning programs are supported in Romania. If you have any questions, please contact us. So if you live in a country where monetization for Quora is possible, then here you can follow some steps, and after that, if you are eligible, you can earn money with Quora. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.